That toilet bowl has been embarrassing you long enough. The rest of the bathroom looks great. Clean sink, fresh floor, spotless mirror. But the moment someone lifts that lid, there it is, a dark brown ring, crusty white crust hugging the bowl, chalky mineral buildup that makes a spotless bathroom feel instantly dirty. And the worst part? No matter how many cleaners you try, no matter how hard you scrub, those stains come right back within weeks. Welcome to Seniors Cleaning Hacks. Marcus here. In this video, the frustration stops today. What you are about to learn will completely change how you deal with hard water stains, not just in the toilet, but throughout the entire bathroom. These methods work on toilets that are 5 years old, they work on toilets that are 25 years old, and they cost almost nothing. If this channel is new to you, subscribe right now and hit that bell. Every single week, simple and powerful cleaning methods that actually work in real homes. Hit the like button, share this with someone whose bathroom needs this, and drop a comment below naming which method you plan to try first. Now, let's fix that toilet for good. The real reason scrubbing never solves the problem. Before getting into the tips, understanding why the stain keeps coming back matters more than any cleaning product on the shelf. Hard water stains are not dirt, grease, or regular bathroom grime. They are solid mineral deposits, calcium, magnesium, and sometimes iron, left behind every single time water evaporates from the porcelain surface. Think of it this way. Every time water sits in the toilet bowl, the water itself eventually drains or evaporates, but the minerals it was carrying do not leave with it. They bond directly to the surface. Layer by layer, flush by flush, those minerals harden and crystallize into a material that feels almost like sandpaper or cement. Regular bathroom cleaners are formulated to fight bacteria, grease, and soap scum, not mineral rock. That is why scrubbing harder with a brush does almost nothing. The brush slides right across the stained surface without penetrating the mineral layer at all. The correct approach is chemical, not physical. Acidic substances break down mineral deposits at a molecular level, dissolving the calcium bonds that lock stains to porcelain. Once those bonds are broken, the stain lifts away with almost zero effort. Every single tip in this video is built around that one principle: dissolve smarter, not scrub harder. Tip number 1. Warm white vinegar used the right way. White vinegar is the most accessible and affordable starting point, but most people use it completely wrong. Pouring a splash of vinegar into a full bowl of water and flushing right away does absolutely nothing. The acid gets too diluted to make any real contact with the stain. Here is the correct method. Turn off the water supply valve located on the wall behind the toilet. Flush to lower the water level in the bowl. If water still covers the stain, use a small cup to remove some until the stained area is fully exposed. Now warm the white vinegar slightly, not boiling, just warm enough to increase its cleaning power. Pour the warm vinegar directly and generously over the stained areas, making sure every inch of the ring is fully covered. Walk away, do not flush, do not touch it. Let it sit for a minimum of 30 minutes. For older, thicker buildup, leave it overnight. The acetic acid in the vinegar spends that time quietly dissolving the calcium deposits at a chemical level. When the time is up, flush. In many cases, the stain simply disappears. Share this tip right now with someone who's been scrubbing for months. One share from this channel reaches someone who genuinely needs it.
Tip number 2. Baking soda and vinegar combined. When vinegar alone is not enough for thicker or older stains, the combination of baking soda and vinegar takes things further. After lowering the water level, sprinkle a generous amount of baking soda over the entire stained surface. Be thorough. Then slowly pour white vinegar over the baking soda. The fizzing that follows is a chemical reaction, actively breaking apart mineral buildup. Let that reaction work for at least 1 full hour, longer for stubborn rings. After soaking, take a toilet brush and give the bowl a single light swipe, not aggressive scrubbing, just a gentle pass, and flush. The difference is striking. The minerals that were bonded tight for months release with almost no physical effort at all. Tip number 3. Citric acid powder for heavy mineral buildup. This is the method that surprises most people, and it is particularly powerful for thick, crusty rings that have been forming for months or even years. Citric acid is the same acid naturally found in lemons, but in a concentrated powder form. It can be found online or at many grocery stores for very little cost. After removing excess water from the bowl, sprinkle several tablespoons of citric acid powder directly onto the stained areas. Let it sit for 20 to 30 minutes. Citric acid aggressively targets calcium carbonate, the primary mineral compound in most hard water stains. The results are often dramatic, with thick rings that survived repeated scrubbing, wiping away with minimal effort after a good citric acid soak.
Tip number 4. Borax and vinegar for a two-step knockout. Borax is a naturally occurring mineral compound, sodium tetraborate, that has been used as a cleaning agent for over a century. It works differently from vinegar. While vinegar is acidic, borax is alkaline and mildly abrasive. This different pH actually makes them highly complementary when used correctly. Pour 1/4 cup of borax directly into the toilet bowl and swish it around with the toilet brush, coating the sides and stained areas. Then add 1 full cup of white vinegar and let the mixture sit for 20 minutes. The borax loosens and lifts the mineral crust, while the vinegar dissolves the bonds beneath it. For very heavy buildup, turn off the water supply, drain the bowl, and make a thick paste using borax and just enough water to bind it. Apply that paste directly to the dry, stained areas and let it sit overnight. In the morning, give it a light scrub and flush. The combination is safe for porcelain, safe for septic systems, and genuinely effective even on stains that have been building up for years. If this channel has helped you even once, please subscribe and share this video. Seniors Cleaning Hacks exists to give every homeowner simple methods that actually work. No expensive products, no guesswork.
Tip number 5. Wet pumice stone for instant visible results. A pumice stone designed specifically for toilet cleaning is one of the most misunderstood tools in bathroom care. Many people avoid it out of fear of scratching porcelain, but when used correctly, it is completely safe and delivers instant visible results. The rule is simple. Never use a pumice stone dry. Both the stone and the bowl surface must be wet before any contact is made. Soak the stone in water for a minute. Make sure the bowl has some water in it, and then gently glide the stone over the stain in small circular motions. There is no pressing hard. The porous texture of the stone is doing all the work. Because pumice is softer than porcelain, it removes the mineral crust without scratching the surface beneath, provided everything stays wet throughout the process. Even thick brown rings begin fading within minutes. This method is the best choice for anyone who needs visible results quickly before guests arrive. Tip number 6. Denture cleaning tablets for zero-effort overnight results. This one surprises almost everyone, but the chemistry behind it is solid. Drop 2 or 3 denture cleaning tablets directly into the toilet bowl, especially near the stained areas. Let them fizz and fully dissolve for several hours, preferably overnight. These tablets contain mild effervescent acids and cleaning agents that break down mineral stains gently without any scrubbing required. In the morning, flush. The difference is noticeable every time. This method is ideal for anyone who wants a completely hands-off cleaning approach. Tip number 7. Hydrogen peroxide for yellow-tinted stains. When stains have a yellow or light brownish tint, hydrogen peroxide is the right tool. Pour approximately 1 cup of 3% hydrogen peroxide, the standard type available at any pharmacy, directly into the bowl after slightly lowering the water level. Let it sit for 30 minutes. Hydrogen peroxide lightens discoloration and also kills bacteria that may be contributing to the staining. It is a 2-benefit solution that works especially well on yellowing that regular acid methods alone do not fully address.
Tip number 8. The hidden tank hack. Most people never think about this. This is the section that changes everything for people whose stains keep returning no matter how thoroughly they clean the bowl. Most homeowners focus entirely on what they can see inside the toilet bowl while completely ignoring the water tank above it. Here is the problem. Every single flush sends water from the tank directly into the bowl. If the tank is filled with hard water, it is constantly feeding new calcium and magnesium into the bowl with every flush. Cleaning the bowl becomes a temporary fix while the real source of the problem is never treated. The stains come back not because the cleaning method failed, they come back because the mineral supply was never cut off. Turn off the water supply valve and flush to drain the tank. Once the tank is mostly empty, look inside. In homes with hard water, white crust often forms around the water line inside the tank. That buildup sheds particles into the bowl with every flush. Pour 1 to 2 cups of white vinegar directly into the tank. Let it sit for at least 1 full hour. For heavier tank buildup, add half a cup of citric acid powder to the tank water and let it dissolve for the same period. After soaking, turn the water back on and flush 2 or 3 times. This cuts the stain supply at its source. After treating the tank this way, many homeowners notice their bowls stay clean dramatically longer between cleanings. Like this video and share it because this tank tip alone is worth passing on to every homeowner dealing with returning stains. Tip number 9. Unclogging the rim jets. Under the rim of every toilet bowl are small holes through which water flows out during each flush. Over time, mineral deposits block these holes. When that happens, water no longer rushes cleanly around the bowl. It trickles down unevenly instead. That weak and uneven flow creates worse staining patterns and contributes to buildup forming in certain spots repeatedly. Soak several sheets of paper towel thoroughly in white vinegar. Press them firmly up under the rim, covering as many of the jet holes as possible. Leave them in place for 1 full hour. The vinegar dissolves the mineral blockages inside the jets. Remove the towels, flush, and notice the improvement in water flow strength. A stronger, more even flush distributes water properly around the bowl and significantly slows future stain formation. Tip number 10. Identifying your stain type. Not every stain in a toilet bowl is the same, and using the right method for the specific type of stain makes a significant difference. Chalky white or cloudy gray deposits are calcium-based hard water stains. Citric acid or warm vinegar handle these best. Brown crusty rings are calcium combined with trapped dirt. Baking soda and vinegar together work well here. Reddish-brown or rust-colored stains come from iron in the water, common in homes with well water or older plumbing. Citric acid or a dedicated iron-removing product handles these more effectively than vinegar alone. Dark brown or nearly black staining that appears near the waterline may indicate manganese deposits or mold. Hydrogen peroxide combined with borax works well on both. Identifying the stain before selecting a method saves both time and effort. Long-term prevention. Stop the cycle permanently. Removing stains is one part of the solution. Stopping them from forming thick layers again is the other. A monthly maintenance routine takes 10 minutes and prevents years of buildup. On the first week of every month, lower the toilet water level slightly. Pour in warm vinegar or citric acid. Let it sit for 1 hour and flush. Pour 1 cup of vinegar into the tank at the same time and let that soak for an hour too. That single monthly reset prevents minerals from ever bonding deeply to porcelain again. For homeowners in hard water regions, large parts of Texas, Arizona, Nevada, the Midwest, and areas served by well water, consider installing a whole house water softener. A softener removes calcium and magnesium before the water enters the pipes at all. The impact on the entire bathroom is immediate and lasting. Toilets stay cleaner longer. Shower heads stop clogging. Glass shower doors stay clear. Even water heater efficiency improves because mineral buildup inside the heater tank is reduced. For those who rent or are not ready for a full system, a point-of-use filter attached to bathroom water lines still reduces mineral concentration meaningfully. One important safety rule: never combine vinegar or any acid cleaner with bleach. That combination releases toxic fumes. If bleach-based products were used recently, rinse everything thoroughly before applying any acidic method. And skip the chemical drop-in tablets that sit inside the tank. They may make the water look blue, but many of them slowly degrade the rubber seals and internal components of the toilet over time. Monthly vinegar soaks in the tank accomplish the same freshening effect without any mechanical damage. Tip number 1. Warm white vinegar. Sit for 30 minutes minimum. Expose the stain first. Tip number 2. Baking soda and vinegar combined. Fizzing reaction for 1 hour. Tip number 3. Citric acid powder. Most powerful for thick, crusty calcium rings. Tip number 4. Borax and vinegar. Best for layered buildup. Safe overnight method. Tip number 5. Wet pumice stone. Instant visible results. Always keep it wet. Tip number 6. Denture cleaning tablets. 0 effort. Drop in and sleep on it. Tip number 7. Hydrogen peroxide, specifically for yellow-tinted discoloration. Tip number 8. Tank cleaning. Treat the source, not just the symptom. Tip number 9. Rim jet cleaning. Vinegar-soaked paper towels under the rim for 1 hour. Tip number 10. Identify the stain type before choosing the method. Hard water stains are not a sign of an unclean home. They are a chemistry problem. Minerals in the water supply doing what minerals do. Every single homeowner in a hard water region deals with this. Now there is a smarter strategy to handle it completely. Subscribe to Seniors Cleaning Hacks for more simple, no-nonsense cleaning methods every week. Share this video with someone who still thinks they need a new toilet when all they really need is the right method. Drop a comment below. Marcus reads every single one. Which tip are you starting with tonight? Work smarter, clean smarter. That is what this channel is all about.